How to fix YouTube homepage not showing videos problem on your Android device. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to look up for a method on how you can solve this issue of your YouTube homepage not being available on your device like I'm showing on the screen right now. So let's go on with the process on how you can fix that issue. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So if you're also having the issue that I'm showing on a screen right now where you cannot see home screen, where there is no video available onto your home screen. So in order to manage this, to fix this, to solve this issue, you can see this on your home screen. You can easily find this option called update setting. Just click on it. And you may just turn on your watch history if you want. Otherwise, head over to the profile at the bottom right. After heading over to the profile at the bottom right, you can find your settings here at the upper right corner, and you're going to look up for the option called manage all history here. Just click on it, and when you click on manage all history, you'll be taken to your Google account settings here. So you're going to look up for the option here. Just wait for it to be loaded first. You're just going to look up for this option called not saving your YouTube history. Just tap on it, and when you tap on it, you can find this turn on option. So just turn it on, include the videos, just read the terms and conditions if you want. After that, tap on got it, and your history has been turned on. And after that is done, just get back to YouTube, and when you go to the home page, your YouTube should be started. Just type in any videos for it to be started. I'm just gonna type in this one right here. After that is done, just get to home page and refresh your page. After that, similar kind of videos will be appearing on your home page. So that's how you basically fix your YouTube homepage not being available. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.